the Bob Mills Weather Center, Oklahoma weather expert, Lacey Swope.
Hard to believe it's August 1st out there.
It really is.
I mean, where's the year gone, Lacey?
It's been flying by. It has, and now we've changed the calendar month. And guys, there's one thing special about the month of August. Well, there's a lot of things. August 10th is a pretty good day. I was born that day, just in case you're wondering. But that's not what I'm talking about. August 10th is also a day climatologically whenever we see our hottest, and then we start to drop down. It's no lie, Lacey. I did not make this up.
Climatologically fascinating.
Meteorologically, climatologically, we will see temperatures start to go down on average by the end of the month. Average highs and average lows. That's what happens in the month of August. Now, the next several days, all the way through your work week, it is so very hot. Also in August, it's not our driest month of the year, but it's drier for sure. We average about 3 inches and a quarter. We've had tornadoes in the month of August. We've had as many as 13. We average 1. Now, as far as our count so far this summer, yes, it's been very hot, especially since we've been through the first week of July. First couple of weeks were so wet, but it's been 20 days since we've had rain at Will Rogers World Airport. Now we've had 2 days where we've been above 100 degrees, 31 days that we have been 90 and above. And we're adding to both of these counts as we go through the next 4 to 5 days. I think the 90-degree count just continues. We'll have highs in the 80s for a few locations once the cool down gets here. This map showing you just how dry we've been because we've been directly under the heat dome. So we've had rain, we've had storms, the monsoonal flow from Arizona all the way up through the Rockies. They've had rain, and then kind of going around the heat dome time after time over the past week. Thunderstorms have moved through Missouri. It's happening again this morning, and then pushing to the south, but just dodging Oklahoma, southern Kansas, and most of Oklahoma. We'll introduce some rain chances back into the northwest over the coming days, but it's not going to amount to a whole lot in the rain gauges. We are dry this morning. We are completely dry on 77 counties on Next Gen Live. Skies have been mostly clear on our Lucky Star Sky Cam network. There is the setting moon. When it rises tonight, it'll be a full moon, 76 degrees, south winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. It's 75 in Enid, 80 in Stillwater, 80 in Woodward, 80 degrees in Moore, 77 in Holdenville, 79 in Ada, 74 in Ardmore, 80 degrees in Buffalo. So warm, and we're warmer than we were at this time yesterday. Our afternoon highs will be just a degree or two hotter as well. Winds are up. Here's your forecast for today. You got plans, 85 degrees at 9 a.m., 95, jumping 10 degrees by lunchtime, 101 by 3, and we're in the triple digits until about 7 p.m. Highs today, 103 Enid, 102 Stillwater. There is humidity this morning. Dew points are in the 70s, so the heat index will be a factor, especially along and east of I-35. Heat indices could top 110 later today. Here's a look at the broad view. There's the heat dome. Drawing it on, you can see the bubble. You can see the moisture pivoting around it. By the way, that is now Tropical Storm Dora down over the Pacific. Watching the Atlantic for any activity right now. Nothing too organized. Watching a couple of disturbances. And right now, none of that looks to make landfall in the United States. Tracking relief, we are. When does it get here? Let's get to it. There's the heat dome. Fringes of the heat dome, you get rain, you get storms, you get complexes riding in. The heat dome shoves to the south, and here comes our storm system. Friday, moving on to the coast. Saturday, moving through the plains. Sunday, moving through Oklahoma. Here comes the stronger jet stream winds. Rain and storm chances going up ahead, along and behind the cold front. Off and on rain and storm chances early next week, and that provides more cloud cover, and that north wind stays around for a few days, keeping temperatures below average. Lows tonight, 70s and 80s. Chance of rain and storms tonight in the Panhandle and the far northwest. It's a 20% chance. Highs tomorrow, triple digits once again. We'll do it again tomorrow night. More likelihood chance that we'll have rain in the Panhandle and in our far northwest counties. Triple digits for your Thursday. Copy and paste that map for your Friday. Similar conditions, warm mornings, hot afternoons, slight chance of storms on Saturday and Sunday. The cold front moves in. Lows drop to the mid 60s, highs in the 80s and low 90s. It's looking a whole lot better. Back to you guys.